If you need help knowing what you need to know for the GCSE Maths content in substitution, then watch this video. In formula is one of the main areas. We all know that the area of a rectangle is the length multiplied by the width. Now that's using letters, and the letters are used because we can input any values, we can substitute any values into that. So this time, let's say we know that the length is 10 centimeters and we know the width is 3 centimeters. We are going to substitute the 10 and the 3 in place of the L and W to get 30. In this case, it would be centimeters squared. So we're replacing, we're substituting in the values, and that's just one example of where we use substitution. Before I cover the exam questions, I would just like to go over some really common mistakes where students lose those marks. First of all, if you're told something is 5y, and you're told that y has a value, for example, of 2. Okay, let's think about 5y and what 5y actually means. 5y means 5 lots of y, 5 multiplied by y. We are not simply putting 2 in place of the y. It is not 52. It is 5 multiplied by 2. So 5 multiplied by 2, which would therefore be 10. So that's the first mistake, just realizing that this coefficient in front of the variable needs to be multiplied, okay, 5 times 2. The next one then is when we're dealing with negatives and we're subtracting a negative. So for example, say you're told that u has the value of -3. What is the value of 5 subtract u? Really careful. We're starting with 5 and we are subtracting. Well, our value of u is -3. Our u is -3. So you need to replace u with -3. That other subtraction is completely separate from the negative. Okay, so we have 5 subtract -3, and 5 subtract -3 is 5 plus 3, which makes 8. Okay, so be really careful when subtracting a negative substitution. Okay, let's go on to the exam style questions then. So t equals q squared plus 2 lots of c. Work out the value of t when q is 3 and c is -7. First of all, you write it out the question, okay? You show that for your mark that you're writing it out. So t is equal to q squared. Q is 3, so we're doing 3 squared. And we're adding on 2 lots of -7. 2 multiplied by -7. 3 squared means 3 times 3, which is 9. And we're adding on, well, 2 times -7 is -14. The positive and the negative make a -9. Subtract 14 gives us -5 for your 2 marks there. The next one, work out the value of 2 lots of 3x minus 5y when x is 4 and y is -2. Brackets, bid maths, we need to do those first. Put in your values. We have 2 lots of 3 times x, 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract 5 times -2. So just looking at that 5y, we're doing 5 lots of -2, which is -10. Notice how I've got the double negatives because the 5y is negative, okay? 12, add 10 is 22. And 2 lots of 22 is equal to 44 for your 2 marks there. Finally, 5f, 5 lots of 3 is 15, and we're subtracting 4 times 2 is 8. 15 subtract 8 is 7, okay? So they're the common errors, the common mistakes, the places that you just need to be extra careful, and how to answer some substitution questions on your maths GCSE. Subscribe if this has been useful, and I'll see you in the next video.